This Zerillo Realty property video is presented by Ayvaz. Rarely available 2-bedroom 2-full bathroom and highly desirable Mallard Cove complex. This unit features a spacious floor plan with a generous open concept layout, complete with plenty of natural sunlight, and an oversized walkout balcony. Recently updated designer Italian stone features, hardwood flooring, as well as granite countertops. Unit includes 2 parking spaces, sports complex, fitness center, clubhouse facility, storage, and is surrounded by lush walking paths, ponds, and fountains. For more information, review the details below or contact Ayvaz at 708-583-8300.